Good morning, guys. So I'm so excited to start this process of writing your letters to your representatives with you. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to fill in just one row of your research graphic organizer. Remember that we will be working on your research graphic organizer today, tomorrow, and you will also have all of spring break until April 30th, that's Friday, to complete your research graphic organizer. There are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of your research graphic organizer. You need to complete 5 rows of this research graphic organizer to get a 100% on this assessment. If you complete a 6th row, that is extra credit. So let's go through how to complete your research graphic organizer. Your first step has got to be to go back to the post called Part 1, Research, Letters to Our Representatives. That's where you will find the document called Unit 1 Assessment Resources. Click on that document. When you click on that document, you will find a list of articles organized by different topics. So scroll through to find your topic, and then feel free to use any of the articles listed underneath your topic. I know I have a big group doing homelessness, so in this demonstration, I'm going to focus on an article under the homelessness category. I'm going to choose this one, Basic Facts About Homelessness. So now that I've gotten my article, I can fill in one row of my research graphic organizer. Remember that the best way to learn about an issue you don't know a lot about is to read. But while you're reading, you also need to be collecting, organizing the information that you're learning. This research graphic organizer helps you keep track of what you learn as you read through various articles. You need to answer the question in each column of the research graphic organizer as you go through your readings. So let's go through how to fill in this research graphic organizer. The first column asks for name of source / author. So I'm going to go back to the article and find the name of the source. The name of your article will most likely be at the top of your website. Oops, that was a lot of pop-up tabs. It will most likely be at the top of your website. If you don't see an article at the top of your website, you can always use the name of the organization that makes the website. The name of the organization that makes the website will be listed at the bottom. I highlighted it for you in the bottom left corner. Let's scroll back up though. Basic Facts About Homelessness, New York City. That's going to be the title of my article, so I'm going to copy it, paste it into my research graphic organizer. Whoops. The font's really big, so obviously I'm going to change that. Okay. So now I have the name of my source and also my author. I'm sorry, I have the name of my source. Now I need to find my author. To find the name of my author, I'm going to have to go back to the website. An author's name will generally be listed underneath the title of an article. If the author's name is, if the author's name, yes, is not listed underneath the title of the article, you can again scroll down to the very bottom of the website and use the name of the organization, the name of the group that publishes the website. So in this case, it's going to be Coalition for the Homeless. So in my graphic organizer, I'll write the name of the group that made the website, and that's Coalition for the Homeless. Now I need to find the date published. To find my date published, I've got to go back to my website again. Now, sometimes an article will have a very specific date, like August 27, 2019, listed right underneath the title of the article. But sometimes a website won't publish a specific date. If that's the case, you again need to scroll to the bottom of the website where you might be able to find a year when the website was last updated. The year a website was last updated is generally listed at the bottom. In this case, though, unfortunately, we don't have a most recent year that this website was updated. So what I can do on my research graphic organizer is simply write not listed. Now I'm going to move to my third column, trustworthiness. Is this source trustworthy? How do you know? In order to answer that question, I need to use my CRAP graphic organizer. So let's go through each of the steps. C stands for currency. We just figured out that unfortunately on this website, there's no date listed. So I can write in my trustworthiness column, this website does not meet the test for currency because there is no date listed. I've now explained that the website does not meet the test of currency. The next test of CRAP is reliability. Reliability is about the quality of information. Does the website have quotes from a professional? Does the website have statistics or facts about the particular issue? In order to understand the reliability of the article, you will actually have to read it. But at quick glance, if I look at this article, one thing I notice is that there are tons of statistics all over the place. There are tons of statistics, there are tons of numbers all over the place. Those statistics, those numbers indicate to me, tell me that this website does meet the test of reliability. This website does meet the test of reliability because it includes statistics. It includes numbers. Now I've covered the R, which means I need to go on to A, authority. Authority has to do with the reputation of the website. Authority you can tell on site, meaning you can tell right away whether a website has authority just by looking at the way the website ends. Does it end in .com, .gov, .org, .edu? To figure that out, simply look at the title of the website in the browser. If the website ends in .org, you can be sure that it is trustworthy. If you're not sure whether an ending is trustworthy or not, use the A section in your CRAP graphic organizer. .org means an organization has created the website. So I can say this website meets the test of authority because it ends in .org, which means an organization made it. Notice that I've gone through each step of CRAP. The only one I'm missing is P. For the purposes of this video, I'll just leave P out, but what I want to point out to you is that I gave a detailed description of why the source meets each test of CRAP, the C, R, A, and P. In my last column for this exact same article, I'll fill in my main idea / evidence section. I'll answer both questions. What's one main idea or argument presented in this source? And list 2 facts or quotes from this source which support this idea. I'll answer both of these questions after I've read the article. Then I'll do the same thing. I'll go through the same process for my next article and my next article, and so on.